If you're a small business owner and you're looking for cost-effective solutions for your video production needs, I have a question for you. What would best help you create more video content? So I'm looking at either video production templates, so it's video scripts, storyboards, video editing templates, or would you like something more along the lines of like SEO guides, that offer guides on video search engine optimization, teaching you how to optimize your videos better for visibility, ranking your videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, even on Facebook as well. Or maybe you're looking for a YouTube starter kit, right? So it has like your channel artwork, your video intros and outros, maybe even prompts and things that'll help you create video content. Let me know down in the comment section below what you're looking for, what will help you create short form video content to have more conversations. Because as we all know, I say this all the time, right? If you're not making enough money, if you're not bringing in enough revenue, it's because you're not having enough conversations. And content is the way that you have conversations without you physically having to be there.